Hi guys, today I will show you a simple way to do a fine calibration. Step 1, we're going to move all axes to 0 degree, and the quickest and easiest way to do that is of course execute a routine with the instruction move absolute J. Normally you find a routine called go cal or calib already made up by the initial robot programmer. Otherwise, watch our video how to create one. Once you've got the robot in 0 degree on all axes, then we're going to put masking tape across the relevant joint where it's easy to see. You might have to wipe clean from oil and grease, and put the masking tape on and cut it with a very sharp Stanley knife, so you have two nice clear edges to look at when we're finished and replace the motor. You might have to get some assistance to keep the robot motors on while you put the masking tape on, especially if it is the brake on the motor that's failing. Then it will of course drop as soon as you release the enabling device. So once you've cut the tape, move the robot arm to a safe position where you can do the repair job and replace the motor or whatever it is. Make sure the arm can't move at all. An extra precaution is release the brakes manually, tapping them quickly and see that nothing moves. Once you've drained the oil and replaced the motor according to the ABB manual and just backflash if required, then we go back to move the robot back to 0 degree, line up all the tape or the tape edges, and go to the flex pendant and select ABB, calibration, click on the robot icon, select calibration parameters, find calibration, and if you have the tape lined up, say yes to the warning message and tick the axis that you need to calibrate. You get another warning message, just push through yes. Now when you've done the fine calibration, you would check the robot again by ordering it to 0 degree on all axes and make sure both the numbers in the jogging window and the tape marks, tape edges are lined up. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.